from back.
No, me at the back and you at the front. This is a red bike. You agree?
No.
Bite?
No, man.
You have to have a... But no, it's really good for the traffic.
I have a little motorbike if you ride upon him, I come in.
If you make noise?
No, man, the motorbike no make noise. Electric one.
Electric bike? I want to ride, go to work. And ride, come home. Guys, you see? We left in the dark and the sun is out now. The sun is out. Huh? But one thing though, I was able to create 2 content today. See bus a come there? You go stop for show?
Yeah, I'm going to
You go up there for show? You have
yes,
enough?
Miss. Yeah, I have the bus here, man.
Guys, we take the bus, we're going up to the beach. Can you imagine? Oh gosh. We are on way. Eh? We are on way. Up to the beach. Get back, I'm gonna wash my hair. What is that?
Yeah, I got around that bush.
Beach run there? Actually, I went for a jog.
Stop there.
So guys, we went for a ride. We went to visit one of our houses because we bought one of the house. It's not complete. And now we caught the bus and we are now at Helshire Beach. Some of it we are not going to be able to record because music is playing and I don't want any copyright. So you will see 3 videos with me in the same clothes. This is so quiet. Mm? Prince and the rain will catch us. If me didn't know, I carry one bath suit. Eh? Good morning. Morning. Oh. Eh? Oh.
Hey, what's up? No shower there? Where's the beach?
This camera and this phone here is so perfect. This is a perfect phone for camera. Talking upside down. This is a perfect phone for pictures and videos. I'm walking facing the incoming traffic, therefore I am on the right side of the road. Right? So when you're walking on the street, always look back. Because me and my husband turned down into a path and the gentleman just come peeping on us. Huh? That's how people get kidnapped. Because when you walk, look back so to see who is following you. Then you know how to boom, run. Understood? The breadfruit tree is, and the ackee tree, when them they start bear, you don't buy no rice, you don't buy no flour. You just eat wild breadfruit, roast breadfruit, fried breadfruit, baked breadfruit. You have hile. One thing you need is salt fish, red herring, salt mackerel. Yeah, chicken back, chicken foot, cow liver, goat liver, every liver. And you just eat. You like it? Oh, I have more at home. see this Devon? Crab. Guys, I just saw a crab. Oh, look, these are young sea crabs. See them? See? Young sea crabs. Isn't nature good? Look at nature.
Let me take a picture.
You take a picture? You short, you know? Eh? Look what tall you is. Really, something wrong, man. The sea line just gone. I don't know. The sea line, this used to be a beautiful beach. Even out there, so you could have go first time. I can't go out there anymore. Look guys, this is Jamaica, and Jamaica is excellently beautiful. Although I am not enjoying Jamaica the way I should enjoy Jamaica, but Jamaica is indeed beautiful. Look at shadow. Time I see this word abbreviation KIOST, I did not know it was Korea Institute of Ocean Science Technology. Every day you learn. Every day you learn. Say it again.
8 o'clock when I pump up on your fish.
Why you? When?
Long.
You always a confess pan camera, you know. Eh? Guys, my husband come here 8 o'clock at night, come eat fish. I mean, and him never eat fish up here yet. Joke. We cool. Morning. You know, so I strongly believe that we can go Montego Bay today and come back. Yeah. Yes. Jamaica really pretty. The road, yeah, man. They're beautiful, guys. The straying, guys, I've strayed. We have coolness, we have sun, and later on maybe we have rain. I don't want to call down the rain, right? Lord gosh, you da run, man. Crocodile catch you run like a jet.
Jump on him back.
Like I saw a video. Like I saw a video with a little boy. Yeah. Baby jump on the crocodile back on the door in Florida. And the crocodile run gone with him on the back, on him back. Yes. Little boy sit down, eh? Yes. Boy, I don't know, no. Hey, I go on bad.
You can imagine how here you put your partner with somebody else.
If we happen, people will do it, Mr. Troublemaker. I have video. That's us, guys. Right, so people come regular. Look how it's dirty. Eh? This part you cannot swim. This was a beach. Cause there is a chair.
Clean.
Yeah. This was a beach. Oops. Sitting down here so watching the sunset. How do I look? Eh? There's my photograph over there. Yeah, I'm a photographer.
You can't take me now.
And me next. But now.
Turn it.
Get up on. What's up? Yeah, we did the ground. It's set like this. No, me. You know, stop it. Guys. Oh my god, well, careful how you walk, right? It's a PMS. I saw people kidnap people. Devon, come now. I saw a man following us, right? And the gentleman followed us from way up to Helshire. And then we reach way down here, so. And the man comes stand up, a peep on us. I saw people kidnap people, you know, by trailing you. So you have to walk and look behind you. See, you see me over there, so I'm green shot. Okay. If I clean them pictures, you know, one day, you know. Look at me. Guys, I have so many content in this blouse today. So many content. I will be posting everything. What? Yeah. We're going on good. Outdoor content for days. Look at the sea. This is Jamaican beach. I don't know what the area is called. But the waves are very heavy. And we don't want no problem, so we're not going in it, right? We don't want no problem. And there is two birds. Even the bird enjoying themselves. Actually, to be truthful, you don't need money to enjoy yourself here in Jamaica. There is so much. But because I work, I am unable to do outdoor content in the way. Because I can do a lot of outdoor content, but because I work, I don't have the time. So when I have the time, like today, I am out exercising. Then I found myself on the beach. Not me alone, me and my husband. Right? And my husband is my best friend. So there we go. Beach, the wave. Hmm? I did so. We are leaving the beach right now. We are leaving the sea and we are heading home. Right? Hope you enjoy this vlog. Hope you enjoy this video. Today is just a nature vlog actually. The sea, I have not gone in the sea because I cannot. The sea, I cannot go swim. I'm gonna tell the truth, I cannot swim. I'm telling the truth, I cannot swim, so I don't go in the sea. And the sea is actually rough. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. See that? Yeah. You said the fishes are dead sea, you know, deep, you know. Hmm? Yeah, he's fishing. I know how much he catch already.